what's up? What's going on? Good morning. Good morning. It's a little rainy morning. We are about to get ready to head to Jacksonville for my boy Kevin's show, the Easter Showdown. It's a little rainy, but it's still going. He moved the show up. I might have to put that sweatsuit on. I got these shorts on. It's a little cold, but yeah, he moved the show up to try to beat the rain. So hopefully we're able to do that for Jacksonville. I mean, it's already raining here in Georgia, but I don't believe it's raining in Jacksonville yet. But yeah, man, I'll catch y'all at the show. At the meetup spot. We're ready to meet up with some of the club members, and then I'll catch y'all at the show. You know what? I should probably grab something to wipe the truck down. I mean, I got stuff in the truck, but I should probably grab the big towel. Now I'll catch y'all. Did you break something else?
That goes to your alternator, bub.
What the fuck?
Oh,
Nate, what the fuck, bro? What is that?
hey,
It's an everyday lock.
You got pieced together or show up.
We got pieced together. It's going on YouTube channel, isn't it?
Yes, it is. He just pulled a whole big ass wire out of nowhere.
Where's Fat Boy at when you need him?
Well, Pat, the better thing is I can see it underneath the liner and the wheel well. Like, hey, what's this ground go to?
God damn, shitty.
Thank you, bro.
What'd you have last night?
We ready?
We ready.
Where's CJ? CJ's gonna have to fucking catch up.
He said he was getting it.
I'm not going home till Monday. No.
All right.
Where is Fat Boy? Smells good.
Aww.
We ready?
Oh, so sweet. Get a room.
Alright, we been them niggas, nigga I'm telling, never been broke, never been wild, never been regular, iced out chain, iced out bird, bust down road, 100 on Jordan, arcade know me, war shit on, war shit on, nah, nigga I'm telling you, never been regular, war shit on, drippin' this honey, I feel like I'm winning, I got your bitch on that island like Jimmy, Beamer gon' make sure we get in the city, I lead the traffic, go holla at Vinny, oh my God, what happened to Kai, chubby with money, they calling me Ty, I'ma go spend me some money today, they 20 pointers, they sunny is mad, Tanner I roll with a limp, post up on 20 with pimp, if it ain't war on my fit, then I go primo to drip, what? Yeah, ice, cold, wool, clear. You on my line, my nigga, we famous. Cafe Wasabi, my nigga, we dangerous. Don't understand you, cause money my language. R.I.P. Mackie, I'm cold as a penguin. C's on my line, like nigga, we famous. Cafe Wasabi, like nigga, we dangerous. I am not regular, that is a fact. Somebody tell R.F. to bring this bitch back. We been them niggas, nigga, I'm telling you, never been broke, never been wild, never been regular, iced out chain, iced out bird, bust down road, 100 on
flatbed trailer, and at all times, the tow pig is going to be towing an empty trailer for situations like this.
Oh.
Well, Kat.
I'm already ready to pull, sir.
So, in the future, we're gonna go ahead and get a flatbed, and at all times, we're gonna have a truck with an empty trailer at all times. Yep, we're gonna put lights on the trailer and everything. Yep. The thing that's tripping me out is, on this side, you see traffic is just steady flowing, steady driving by. All these trucks on this side, you think traffic will be stopped. But no, there's one truck. G's truck is the only one on this side. And you got traffic all backed up on this side. Make it make sense. Start this day off lovely. Oh, and in case I forgot to mention, CJ got in an accident. So let's go down there and check out that damage. Because he was stopping and somebody ran into the back of him. So let's go see how bad that is. What's up, man? Looks like we got some bumper damage. Little clip graze type of situation. Little graze on the light, I guess. That ain't too bad. Ain't too bad. Well, you know, G's Customs as always. Check this out. This is what we're gonna do.
Yours? It's yours.
Came out of your truck. Well, that's one of two problems solved. We still got CJ in Jacksonville. Yeah. What, man? Look, if it ain't one thing, it's another. You know, war can't slide nowhere without some unusual shit happening, boy. I swear.
We caught our job on the way back.
Oh, yeah. Man. Well, we here, man. I don't know if y'all can hear me. But after a hectic morning, we finally made it to the show. We had a wheel come off. We had somebody get rear-ended. So we got here a little late, but all in all, we got here. It's a great show, even though Kevin had to change the time around just because of a possibility of rain. But, I mean, it's holding up right now. But he still got a good turnout, as y'all can see. It's a lot of dope vehicles out here, man. A lot of dope vehicles. I already went around. I'm gonna go around again, check them out, get some footage of them for y'all, and enjoy the show. So, y'all stay tuned. Deposit the money to Brenda Leticia, Linda Felicia. She gave
some millimeter. We stayed in Geneva. Yeah, I probably should go to Yeshiva. We went to Ibiza. Yeah, I probably should go live with Yeezy. I need me some Jesus. As soon as I started confessing my sins, he wouldn't believe the sins. I got sins on my mind and some M's. Got a lot of M's on my mind and my friends. Yeah, I keep my friends on my mind. I'm in love with 2 girls on my team. I need 10. That's why I got 10 on my mind. I got M's. Got a lot of M's on my mind and my friends. Yeah, I keep my friends on my mind. To repent. I need me some Jesus on my mind. So far, but I know I'm impatient. You on my daily, this shit, I'm a secret. Trying to teach me to blow up my people. I can't respond with just boys and people. If I got some rats on the bed, you can keep it. This shit getting deeper. If you better dig it, my shot won't be out. I hit the fence. A shark in the water, you swimming with a Luffy. I hit the day by tomorrow, she miss it. I grab my dish, she look good, I kiss it. I'm not a girl, but I fit the description. I like the post, so I get the prescription. We walk around with them bands, and I get shit. This gun in no jail, and I blow, I ain't missing. I'm dropping hit after hit, I'm just chilling. But I send the hill, I tell my children. Kick it in business, the business, the hustle. I fuck around and find me a scratch. I call up, they off of my heart, if they making me hard. I don't even burn, I start from the bottom. I lost from around, lost nigga, no water. I won't go to follow when they went harder. I'm cracking my shit, I ain't seen it, I'm smarter. I gotta get money, I go to get charter. I get it before burgers and one small shooter. I can't let them down off around my daughter. I'm screaming, I know, yeah, that's still a model. I know I be on some shit that ain't part of sins. I got sins on my mind and some M's. Got a lot of M's on my mind and my friends.
Kid is a
What?
beast.
What? Nah. Alright. We been them niggas. Nigga, I'm telling you. Never been broke, never been wild. Never been regular. Iced out chain, iced out bird. Bust down rollin', bird. 100 on Jordan. Arcade know me. War shit on. Whoa. War shit on. Nah. Nigga, I'm telling you. Never been regular. War shit on. Drippin' this honey, I feel like I'm winning. I got your bitch on that island like Jimmy. Beamer gon' make sure we good in the city. I lead the traffic, go holla at Vinny. Oh my God, what happened to Kai? Choppy with money, they calling me Ty. I'ma go spend me some money today. They 20 pointers, they sunny is mad. Tanner I roll with a limp. Post up on 20 with pimp. If it ain't war on my fit, then I go primo to drip. What? Yeah. Ice, cold, war, clear. You on my line. me, my nigga, we dangerous. Don't understand you, cause money my language. R.I.P. Mackie, I'm cold as a penguin. C's on my line like nigga, we famous. Heavy beside me like nigga, we dangerous. I am not regular, that is a fact. Somebody tell RF to bring this bitch. We been them niggas, we been them niggas. Nigga, I'm telling you, nigga, I'm telling you. Never been broke, never been whack. Never been regular, never been regular. Iced out chain, iced out bird. Bust down road, bust down bird. 100 on Jordan, 100 on Jordan. RK know me, RK know me. War shit on, war shit on, war shit on, war shit on, war shit on. Woo, woo. War shit on, nah, nah. Nigga, I'm telling you, nigga, I'm telling you. Never been regular, never been regular. War shit on, war shit on, war shit on, war shit on. Woo.
Ain't another woman that can take your spotlight. If I wrote you a symphony, just to say how much you mean to me, what would you do? If I told you you were beautiful, would you date me on the regular? Tell me, would you? Well, baby, I've been around the world, but I ain't seen myself another girl like you. This ring here represents my heart, but there's just one thing I need from you. Say I do, because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. Now if I wrote you a love note and made you smile at every word I wrote, what would you do? Would that make you wanna change your scene and wanna be the one on my team? Tell me, would you? See, what's the point in waiting anymore? Cause girl, I've never been more sure that baby it's you. This ring here represents my heart and everything that you've been waiting for. Just say I do, because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You can be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. My love, my love. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. My love, my love. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love.
Meditating,
Gucci, stop at Louis V, yeah. Come with me, fly you out to Greece. Full speed, so for the Paris, yeah. Come with me, leave all of your things, yeah. You stop at Gucci, stop at Louis V, yeah. Come with me, fly you out to Greece. Full speed, so for the Paris, yeah. Speed post, baby, in Mickey Beach. Waves in my hands, smoking weed. Been through the sand in the G. All because of what I did on beats, baby. Life sweet, baby. I ain't stop, baby. You just go get ready, we go out, baby. Long time looking for the process. Andre had to bounce it. Come with me, leave all of your things, yeah. You stop at Gucci, stop at Louis V, yeah. Come with me, fly you out to Greece. Full speed, so for the Paris, yeah. Come with me, leave all of your things, yeah. You stop at Gucci, stop at Louis V, yeah. Come with me, fly you out to Greece. Full speed, je suis ton génie. Rolls Royce, black, and hidden wheels.
Making this a successful event, coming out, enjoying yourselves with each other, not causing no problems. We didn't need no security. We're good. Next year it's going to be bigger and better, nicer, hotter weather, I hope. Without further ado, I know
this was just fun. This was just fun.
What do you want to do? Our top 35? Top 35? Okay. I'm going to start out with our top 35. Hold on, I need a couple of names right here.
Got a paddock on my wrist going nuts. Niggas caught me slipping once, okay, so what? Someone hit the block up, I tell you if it was us. Man, a house in Rosewood, this shit too plush. Say my day's the number, but I keep waking up. Know you see my text, baby, please say something. Wine by the glass, man, a cheapskate, huh? Niggas gotta move on my release day, huh? Bitch, this is fame, not clout. I don't even know what that's about. Watch your mouth. Baby got an ego twice the size of the crib. I can never tell the shit, it is what it is. Said what I had to and did what I did. Never turn my back on every G, God forbid. Heard you got the paddock on my wrist, doing front flips. Giving you my number, but don't hit me on no dumb shit. Working on the weekend like usual. Way off in the deep end like usual. Niggas swear they passed us, they doing too much.
Turned out pretty good. Let's go. Hope to see you again next year. Thank you very much.
right, y'all, we rolling out. Kevin, great show for sure, man. We taking another one home with the new truck. We gonna slide to go eat now for Kat's birthday. So I think we're going to Roadhouse, I believe, Longhorn or Roadhouse, one of the two. Well, we're about to go grab some food though.